Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to insert links into Google Sheets. So you see here I have a Google spreadsheet which I opened from Google Drive by clicking on New, blank Google Sheets, blank sheet. I put my title in up here, inserting Google Sheets. And now what I want to do is I want to create a list of math web links for my students to use. So you see I've already created a link to Math Antics. And below that, I want to create a link to the Math Learning Center. So I'm going to click inside this cell. I'm going to go over here to my toolbar. I'm going to click the link button. I can also come up here to insert, choose link. In the text box, I'm going to type Math Learning Center. This is the text that I want to appear in my cell. In the link box, I'm going to go ahead and type up Math Learning Center, and you can see that Google has already figured out based on the text that I have above what I want in that cell. Let me grab that again, and there we go. There's that free Math Learning Center. I'm going to click on it, and now I'm going to choose Apply. All right, so you can see as I hover over it, it's showing me it is linked right to that Math Learning Center, and I can visit that link by clicking on that link. Thank you, and I hope you understand how to create a link in Google Sheets.